Okay, time for some advanced tips about how to get more money for your car after a wreck, your car, your motorcycle, whatever. Sometimes you can get thousands more if you just know the law. I already talked to you about some of the key things to do. Look up comparable values, make sure that you're looking for punitive damages and get a lawyer involved. If there's any drunk driving or anything like that, just do it. Or someone fell asleep at the wheel, whatever. There's even more though to share, okay? There's something called diminished value that you want to be asking for. Now that's a difference that your vehicle, between what your vehicle is worth without a wreck and what it's worth after a wreck. Because think about it. If you got two vehicles with exactly the same mileage, exactly the same features, are you gonna pay more or less for the one that was in the wreck, right? You're gonna pay less. And so would other people. Ask for that diminished value. Sometimes you'll get it, sometimes you won't, but it's better to ask for it, okay? That's an advanced tip. Now, a lawyer can help you with diminished value a lot of the times, and there are also diminished value experts out there who can, to some extent, help move that along and build a package that proves to the insurance adjuster that you're owed that. Now, I also said that it's important to make a list of any sort of special features or additions to the vehicle, such as a high-end sound system or a custom paint job, things that would take money to replace. You have to produce receipts for those often. And also, I've mentioned, I think in other videos, the car seat for a child or other protective seat. Those can be quite expensive, and you're really supposed to get rid of them after one use. So if they've been in a wreck, you're supposed to change them out, and that can be also part of your claim. There are other advanced tips about how to get more for your property damage claim. Make sure you're looking for your rental car coverage. When you go and you work with your own insurance company, sometimes you can work with them and have them subrogate to the other liability carrier once the liability carrier accepts fault. Sometimes that takes some time. It's kind of maybe a too advanced tip to go into here. I'll go into that in a separate video. But really, I mean, the best thing in the world, if you can find some reason that the other side might have been driving drunk or might have been texting while driving or was just totally reckless, that's just absolutely insane, and then get a personal injury lawyer involved. Also, if you're within a recent time of the wreck, maybe a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and you get some medical treatment, you get checked out because you've had some injury and it wasn't your fault, that's a great way to get some leverage in the claim and to get the legal help you need. When you've seen hundreds or thousands of cases, it's a lot easier to know what's coming. And the insurance companies, they bully people, I think. They do this all day, they know more, and sometimes they are just tough on people. I would rather not see that happen for you. So if you're injured at all, or if there's some sort of punitive element like drinking or drugs or something like that, get a personal injury lawyer. Get a personal injury lawyer will really help. Truly, I think, I'm proud to say that I feel very confident that lots of clients in the industry tend to do a lot better with lawyers than without them. It should be no surprise. We do it all day. But in addition, look, I understand some people are worried about this or that or the other. I make these free videos. Check out some of my other free videos. You'll learn a lot. At least you'll get partway armed to deal with this, okay? We also have free guides about how to maximize your property damage claim. Make sure you're looking for all the insurance coverage out there. So you've got options, okay? So don't just fold, don't take their first offer. Check out my basic tips, check out these more advanced tips, and we can get even deeper into the legal world with all of these different terms. But the important thing is I know that your car, truck, or motorcycle, your property damage, it's connected to you. I mean, the damaged property, it's not something you wanted to have happen. Ideally, you'd want to be paid for all that aggravation and suffering, but that only comes really usually through a personal injury claim or through a long process of court. So, or an arbitration process, technically, when it comes to a lot of property damage. So really, the personal injury cases where you tend to have an advantage and the insurance company tends to have an advantage in the property damage part. And which stinks because that car or truck or motorcycle is just a part of our heart, right? We don't want to lose that. Hope this is helpful. We got free guides, got other free videos, help talk you through it, and please don't settle for less. I hate to see that for clients, non-clients. I just don't want to see anyone get taken advantage of. So know your rights, know the law, get paid some more. Check out the descriptions, check out the other links that hopefully we've got in here somewhere, or look around on our pages, social media, YouTube. We'll get you covered, okay? We've got a lot of free information that can help. And if you got a personal injury case, then give us a call. We'll sign you up. We'll help you out. 888-333-5555. That's 888-333-5555. Attorney Ted Segge, TedLaw firm. Know your rights. Help yourself, or have us help you. We'd love to do it. Thanks.